Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Do you know where I am going today? Today I am going to Waterfront Market. Market is a place where you will get fresh fish and seafood, vegetable and fruits, meat and poultry, dry fruits, cafe and restaurant, so many things. Waterfront Market is a community friendly venue for the whole family, from kids play area to family time along with the promenade and dining with the family. Waterfront has a lot to offer. So now I am going to fish market. Here you can see the fish market where you will get all the fresh fishes, so many fishes, seafood, and you will get different types of fishes and different kinds of seafood also. See guys, here is there are a lot of things. Fish and seafood, a must visit for any fish and seafood lover. The fish and seafood market at the waterfront houses over 500 vendors in one market who displays and sell over 350 seasonal varieties of fish and seafood from the region and the internationally. The fish and seafood market contains live, fresh and dried fish products. Also, a dedicated cutting and cleaning area is integrated into this market to allow customers to have their fish and seafood cleaned and prepared the way they want it. So it's an awesome place guys. So now I'm going out from the fish market. So you can see there is a play area, you can see there are so many shops are available, you can see there is slipper shop is there, you can see corn shop is here. There are so many things are available in this market. It's not just a fish market or fruit and vegetable. There is, if you go inside you can buy everything. You can see the interior of this mall, it's awesome, so beautiful guys. This is very beautiful place. Have to, if you are in UAE, you must visit this waterfront market, and it's an awesome place. Here you will get all kind of dry fruits also. If you go inside you will get it everything. Here all the different kinds of dry fruits and spices. There are all those things whatever you require. Like it's a traditional Arabic soup guys. You can see here you will get all the traditional things are available here. Abundance of product choice between confectionery, nuts, rice, spices, pulses, cheese, grains and other dry fruits are available here. You can see there is, you will get it into kilos as well as in the bulk also. So now I am going to the fruit and vegetable market. You can see it's a very good awesome place guys. This fruit and vegetable market has over 150 vendors selling 100% fresh, local, regional and imported goods. The market is as diverse as the different nationalities and ethnic groups to which it caters. At the fruit and vegetable market, customers can find the season freshest fruit and vegetables, including locally grown and sourced products straight from UAE farms also. So while many of the fruits and vegetables are staple good year around, the market continuously evolves with the season to future seasonal products that increase eye and palate appeal. It's fact guys, it's not like that. You will get all the fresh vegetables here whatever you require. See, you can see you will get the whole year. You will get mango here. From this here you will get all over world fruit. It's not like that just we are getting the fruit from one country. No, here we will get all over the world fruit. You can see here German fruit, Australia fruit, there are, and awesome, what is that, so many different country fruits are available here from Pakistan, India, Sweden. So unlimited guys, all over the world you will get. And one more thing I want to tell you, here you will get full year mangoes. You will not believe. Here is a small one, fresh fruit juice shop is also is there. You can see here what is that, kaka fruit is also, persimmon is also there, plums is there, different kinds of grapes are available there. You can see fresh orange, and then plums, chiku, that kiwi, and this is Iranian grapes. You can see green apple, avocado from Africa. You will get avocado from Persian. You will get from German. There are, see, this all the cherries. By seeing itself I feel mouth watering guys. It's awesome. No, you know So see that what is the strawberry, pears, and lot of things are here. You can see very awesome place, guys. Really, you will get very much fresh things. It's not like that just they are packing and selling, not like that. This all here you will get it fresh fruits. Now I am here in the greenery way, because now I want to buy some coriander leaves and some methi fenugreek leaves, as well as mint leaves and some green leaves also. So I came here. You can see the zaatar also is here, parsley is here, mint is here, and palak is also here. There are so many things. You can see different types of green leaves are available in this market. That all is fresh. Lettuce is available here. You can buy whatever you want from here. Now I am going to buy some eggs. You can see here different types of eggs are available here, and different types of pickles are here, like lemon, mango, all vegetables pickles are here. See, there are different kinds of eggs they are bringing from the farms. These are the fresh eggs, and you can see the pure honey. You can see fresh milk is also available here. Different kinds of eggs are here, whichever you want you can buy. You can see the octopus egg is also here. See, vegetable pickles is here, and garlic pickle is also here. Pure ghee also they are selling. You can see the emu egg is also here. Octopus egg is also here. This all direct from the farm they are bringing, guys. This is awesome. So now we want to have something to eat. So now we are going to have what, fried potatoes. So come, guys, let's go. See, there is a small cafes also. They have started now. Weekly once some programs are going on here. You can see the tall girls are here now in a pink suit and orange suit. So there is an ice cream parlor, small ice cream parlor is also there in the mall. You can see there are different types of ice creams are available here, and then you can get the refreshment things also here, and wall hanging, wall plates, so many things. If you go inside you can buy everything. You will get traditional things also. So now my kids wants to have potato chips, so I came to have a potato chips. See, guys, now I will show you how he is making the potato chips. See, just he put the potato in that machine. If the machine is just rotating, it will cut easily. And then you can see how he is going to put this thing in a another stick, and he will scroll it will just he will pull all the leaves of the potatoes by putting in a stick, and then he will fry that potatoes. And this potato chips is awesome, guys. I love this potato chips. You know, if you go to this place, don't forget to eat this one. And he's doing very nicely. He's already used to wash and keep these potatoes, and really so much tasty. If you are watching, if you are in UAE, if you visit Waterfront Market, don't forget to have this potato chips. Mostly nowadays potato chips is available in all the places, but if you visit here, don't forget to have this potato chips. So he is going to keep on changing the potatoes, because we have ordered little more, because my family is little bit big, you can understand. Now he is going to put that potatoes into that stick. You can see, guys, see, really it's very good and tasty, you know. I love it, but it's not a healthy food, it's a junk food only. I know, but what to do, sometimes we love junk foods also, no. By being with kids, what have to do, we have to eat everything, so we can't control ourselves. So now he is putting the potato into that stick. He's just pulling one by one, and then you can see what he's doing. See, guys, he's just arranging that all, and then now he will put it into the oil. See, he's doing the deep fry. Can you see? It's awesome. My kids are more hungry, they want to have it soon, because the mall is little bit big. While we are walking, we feel hungry. After coming from that side, have to eat something. It's not like that just going and coming back. So can you see the potatoes are frying well? Please keep on turning the sides of the potatoes, and finally my potatoes are fried well. See guys, I asked that person there, he said they are keep on changing the oil. It's not like that the old oil, no, they are keep on changing. Here everything is clean and tidy, girls, guys, in UAE, because here all the inspections are going on, all the authorities are keep on keeping eye on everything, because they are more particular about the health, because they will not leave us as it is, they will care us more. So you can see, I asked that guy also, you are changing the oil? He said, yeah, we are keep on changing the oil. If not, we will be caught. That's good, guys. If like this in all countries, means the all countries will be safe and happy and healthy also. So you can see now my kids wants to have some tomato ketchup, so he's adding ketchup on it. But I don't prefer ketchup on it. So now it's ready to have it. So our crispy and saucy potato chips is ready now. I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share among your friends and family members. Thank you. Bye bye.